About this item: 7-inch rotatable screen featuring 1080p high-resolution 12MP camera technology and precise focus. Elikliv LCD digital microscope supports display amazing images and videos, which is convenient for easy and accurate observation and soldering. With rotatable, 90 degrees, HD screen design, it is more convenient for user from different angle to view it. Continuous 10x 1200x magnification allow to zoom in and see the incredible details of observations at a magnification range from 10x to 1200x. The actual magnification differs due to the distance between camera and observations. Adopted 10 LED light design. 8 adjustable LED illuminator ensure your specimens are clear and bright, with 2 extra auxiliary lights provide more excellent detail and optimal clarity and allow to capture pictures or video in some dark places. Photos and videos. Elikliv video microscope is not only a microscope, but also a camera, which can take pictures and record videos. You can save the images and videos that obtained during the observation process to the micro card and output. Hook up to PC for larger view. The PC view supports Windows and Mac OS, so you can observe on a larger scale and facilitate data sharing and analysis. No extra software download needed, just run the default apps: Windows Camera for Windows 10 and Photo Booth for iMac/MacBook wide application. Perfect for adults and kids. Gift: this digital microscope is very suitable for circuit board testing, watch/clock repair, textile industry, error coin identification, kids education testing, biological observation,